Hi, welcome to this short video. Creating a knowledge base on Karini AI with Databricks. With Karini AI's no-code recipe, creating a knowledge base is a breeze. Simply specify the name and description, select Databricks as the runtime, and you're ready to go. Add the source element to the recipe canvas, select Databricks as the connector type, and input the relevant Unity catalog, schema, and volume for your legal documents. Now specify the bronze and silver table details to configure dataset options. These details will determine how your data will be processed and what pre-processing options for OCR and PII are needed. Set up the knowledge base using a vector store provider by choosing Databricks Vector Search as the vector DB provider and provide the vector index, catalog, and schema names. Define data processing preferences, including the embedding model and chunking configurations. Publish the recipe and hit run to push down data ingestion and vector index creation to your Databricks workspace. Upon completion, review the processing status and task details, each linked to the corresponding Databricks job run in your Databricks workspace. Your vector index for legal documents is now created. Coming up next, learn how to create an agentic legal prompt that will be using the knowledge base we just created.